watching you as if to say you're here to do badness and all that. We're not here to do badness, we're here to enjoy ourselves, and that's how it's gonna go. And the only way we can feel freer, I think, is if the police just calm down and just enjoy themselves as well, man. They could boogie in the jungle and I'm sure we can get them a techno float or take that here or something, you know what I mean? So they can enjoy themselves as well. That's the only way things are gonna loosen up.